writing my vows, I am reminded of the memories from the day we first met. It was fun, and sorry that I gave you the first impression of kunak mo maminong ka. Little did I know that the man in charge, the way turned out to be complete opposite. And as we went on dating for years, you always gave me love letters. And if it's okay with you, I can basal. This time, Tito Jane, din mo na nakinig. I said yes to be your girlfriend. Ang mga basahin namin. Kunang dito'y, I know that this day I learned the courage to ask you the question that I'm dying to ask. And I know that it is God's plan. The truth is, you are the best blessing that had ever happened to my life. We had a long journey ahead of us, a lot of trials and challenges, but I believe we will surpass all of it. Let's just hold hands and don't let go, my dear. And let's always keep our faith in God, because I believe our relationship will last forever by the grace of God. Dito ka interview from 9 years ago. And here we are now after that beautiful 9 years, finally. And after all the challenges we faced, standing before the Lord and everyone else, to exchange our vows and to enter into marriage as we prayed for. In those beautiful years, you became my greatest blessing from God. And thank you for being patient with me, for giving me time even on your busiest days, even without me asking for it. A lot of times, sundoon ng EJ work, ang uray-kauray man mo. Makita na lang kung makagwala. Even before trainings, like sometimes you would drive me home. And from this day on, hanap ang kailangan nga itulog before nga gawin ka. Hanap mo lang nga sundoon every Sunday nga makita EJ Church. Because now we will go together, and most especially we will go to church together. Amen. Josh, I promise to be driven by God to live with wisdom and understanding. I don't want you to feel pressured about the things you love, your passion, and your work. And I promise not to be jealous of your time during training days. To always have that joy in my heart, supporting you in every aspect, even in the little things that I can do. I promise to love the people close to your heart, especially the Mama Wendy and Papa Nimrod, and the rest of your family. And lastly, to respect you, to fully submit to you, and to choose you every day. Maybe remember always and look back on this day, the day we exchange our vows before the Lord and everyone else at this perfect time He orchestrated. Let's keep Him the center of our marriage. And Josh, this is all I promise you for the rest of my life. I love you so